Let's make some curry chicken. I have some dark meat cut up into medium pieces, and this was rinsed with the lime juice and water. So you're going to add your favorite chicken seasoning. Then you can add some ginger powder. And of course, we're going to go in with some black pepper. All right. I like to add some crushed allspice berries, good old pimento seed, and 2 kinds of curry. I love Better Pack brand and I love the Chief curry powder. So I'm going to add some minced fresh ginger as well and some green seasoning. This is a blend of herbs. This is on my YouTube channel. It adds a lot of flavor. So just mix everything together, season this overnight. Next day, oil in the Dutch pot. Then we are going to burn the curry. So this is the same 2 kinds of curry. We're not really burning it, even though we call it burn, right? We just want to open up those flavors, get that out there, and then we're going to add the chicken. So what you want to do now is to kind of sear the chicken in this curry oil. So I leave it on the surface of the pot for a few minutes, and then I'm going to flip it over. All right. So if you have a small pot, feel free to use a spoon afterwards just to stir everything around, because what I want is I want that curry oil to coat every single piece of chicken. Okay, it's not brown stew chicken, so don't worry about it being very brown. You just want to kind of sear it. Okay, then I cover it for about 3 minutes. After that, I'm going to be adding some veggies. So we have some onion, then we're going to add some carrot. The carrot is optional. Okay, then some fresh thyme, some fresh scallion, more pimento seed, and some garlic, and then some water. Don't put too much because we're not making curry soup. Good. So stir it around because you want to kind of lift up all of those seasonings that stuck to the bottom of the pot, and then rinse out that seasoning bowl with some water, add it to the pot, add your scotch bonnet, cover this and let it simmer. All right, and then just allow it to cook down and get everything really nice and flavorful. You want to make sure the chicken is nice and moist. So don't put too much water because then you're going to overcook the chicken. All right. So that is it. If you want to add some diced potatoes, you can add potatoes too. So just simmer this down until the gravy is nice and richer than it was when you just started. And that's it. I serve it up with some white rice, some coleslaw, and some plantain. Nice.